Rain taps softly against the windows, and the house feels extra quiet today. One of those slow, stay-at-home kind of mornings. But even on days like this, the ideas don't stop. In today's video, we're warming things up a bit, starting with a couple Facebook Marketplace finds. Once we head home, I cannot wait to show you my finds, and then we're heading outside with one of them and pretending like it's already spring and giving the space a much little refresh. This piece was $10, and it is more than just furniture. It's over 100 years old, and I cannot wait to give it a new life in Zion's room. I had to bring this piece inside, even though it's not where it's going to live. It's actually going to go in Zion's closet once I get to that phase of the room, but I couldn't help myself. I needed to see it with the paint colors, and honestly, even if it's just temporary, it adds so much character. That's my favorite part about mixing old and new, is the vintage pieces tell a story and instantly make the room feel layered and lived in. Now let me show you the rest of the room. I am so loving how it's turning out. Down to earth, it's just as good as up there. I'm gonna keep you near, 'cause you're all I need, my dear. While the rain keeps falling, Chris is giving the entryway a little bit of work. We've learned that even 30 minutes every couple days adds up, and slow progress is still progress. Today we're working on framing out the window, one of those details that instantly elevates the space. It's kind of crazy how a little bit of molding can go such a long way in making everything feel that much more custom. With you by my side, I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. While Chris was hard at work on the entryway, I was doing what I do best, and that is sourcing Marketplace, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I found. Okay, you guys, I just scored on Marketplace. Like, I cannot believe it. I got both of these terracotta pots for $15. Look at the patina on it. I cannot. I have 2 lemons that I thought I would put in the pots. Olive trees. I don't know, but they are so good. I am the most impatient person ever, and now if it is something that I can do, I do it. I used to wait for Chris for everything, but his to-do list keeps piling up if I do that. So you know what? It's time for me to be an independent woman, and I am bringing these massive pots into the backyard all by myself. And before anyone says I should have emptied the dirt out, it would have been a lot lighter. There was literally no dirt at the bottom of these pots, so I am not sure why dirt keeps coming out of them. These pots were so heavy, and I had 2 of them to move, and I was actually really scared I'd break them, and I was having instant regret not waiting for Chris, so I moved them very slowly, and thank God I had Zion cheering me on the whole time.
Now, Bubba, how am I going to get it over there?
Pick it up.
Just pick it up? Do you think I could pick this up and bring it over there?
Yeah. You got
Oh, I did it, Bubba! I did it! Okay, now I just gotta get it over there. You told me?
Yes, I told you you can do that.
Thank you, buddy.
I went back and forth between olive trees and lemon trees, but since the whole property is already surrounded by olives, I knew right away these had to be lemons. It's one of those Pinterest moments I pinned a few years ago and never stopped thinking about it. When I saw these pots on Marketplace, I immediately went back to that exact pin, and it honestly felt like my Pinterest mood board coming to life. I mean, yes, it's still going to take years for the trees to grow, but still, it is proof that you really can put things out there and you can find it for a good deal. And if that's not wild enough, I found 2 lemon trees 6 months ago for $8 each on Marketplace. So if we add this all up, this entire setup is a $31 glow up, all off of Marketplace. The guy I got the lemon trees from actually propagated them from his own tree, and it was overflowing with lemons. So hopefully one day these trees will give me the same amount of lemons that they gave him. This one was actually very root bound, so I'm hoping that now it's in a bigger pot, it will take off. I'm usually not one to wish winter away. It's actually my favorite season, but this project really has me looking forward to spring and finally seeing this outdoor space come together. Soon I hope we'll be putting down grass. It's so amazing to me to see all the little visions slowly starting to take shape. We really are proof that home takes time, and when you look back and you can see all the hard work you've really put into it, it really makes you appreciate your home that much more. Sleeping under stars when it's gone. This little space up here holds so many plans. So we plan to build a gazebo. I want a beautiful antique wooden table with some wicker chairs and a beautiful rattan chandelier. I would love to add a fireplace to it somewhere. And I just want it to be a space that feels very cozy and inviting and somewhere that we can dine and enjoy the rest of the backyard. Our backyard is on a 2-tier level. So right above us is our swimming pool and then all the stairs that lead to the fire pit, and then down below this area is where we plan to have all of the grassy area for the kids to play in. I bought Chris a couple storage containers for the garage for this Christmas, and of course that led to another project. This time we're tackling our garage, cleaning it out and moving everything into my mother-in-law's garage. I don't know why we always do this to ourselves, but we cannot help ourselves. We like to bounce around everywhere, but first we needed to clear out her space so we can organize it all properly. Let me tell you, our garage situation is horrific. Tools are everywhere, stuff is piled up. This space really needed some attention, and honestly, I really want to park my car in the garage, but I was not expecting it to be anytime soon. And I definitely didn't think by buying a couple of containers for Christmas, it would start a whole new chain reaction. But here we are. So Chris decided that he was gonna epoxy the floors. So it started with cleaning it, applying this special solution, and then painting it, letting it dry, and then building the storage containers.
I'm thinking maybe I'll take you out so we can get a little closer now. Let's hear what's on.
I don't know how anyone finds this kind of thing exciting to watch, but Chris swore that you guys wanted to see, so here we are. And after all, we decided to bring you guys on the whole journey of this house. So you are going to see the boring, the exciting, the not so pretty stuff, and then like the garage, not so fun stuff, in my opinion. All right, you guys, so the floors actually need to dry, which means the storage units will be built in the next video. I also did not forget, we were supposed to do Zion ceiling in this video, but I could not narrow down the wood that I wanted to use, but I finally think I figured it out, so maybe we'll tackle that next time. And if you guys are not already subscribed, please hit that button. It really does help out the channel. And don't forget to give this video a like. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
What if I told you you took